Hello there. I'm Dipanshu Rawal and I'm a life coach. The first question a lot of people ask me is, who's a life coach? What do you do? Are you a motivational speaker? Do you help people with depression? I get it. Life coaching is not mainstream. A lot of people don't know what life coaching is. And I've been there a year and a half ago. I didn't know what life coaching is. Today, we will discuss what is life coaching and why would someone want to hire a life coach. Before that, I publish 3 videos every week on mental health and emotional health so you could live a purpose driven and peaceful life. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. So, first, what is life coaching? Life coaching is co-active participation between a client and a coach to help the client maximize their potential. Coaching is a future focused and goal oriented practice. This is one of the major differences between coaching and therapy. Therapy is a past focused practice where a therapist will help you resolve your past issues. But if you want to create a future of your dreams, coaching is a better solution. And if you have any depression or any other mental illness, do not go for coaching, go for therapy. A lot of people approach me and they tell me that they are having depression or they have panic attacks. And guess what I do with them? I refer them to a therapist. So if you have any kind of mental illness, go work with a therapist. Second point, a life coach will help you create bigger and better goals. So you are not limited by your own thoughts. Bigger goals would mean creating milestones and achieving those milestones. So a coach will help you with that as well. Which brings me to the third point, accountability. A life coach will keep you accountable. Most of us have bigger goals, but a lot of us don't achieve them. When we have someone keeping us accountable for our goals, the probability of us achieving that goal becomes a lot higher. A life coach will help you go through the challenges, keep a check on your progress, and will make sure that you are achieving the milestones that you have set for yourself. I worked with my coach for the first time in April 2020. You can see the screenshot here. She sent me the summary of our first session. And one of the goals that I set for myself was in the next 3 months, I wanted to quit my full-time job and do this life coaching full-time. The result of working with a life coach, guess what? I quit my job in 3 months and I became a full-time life coach. Number 4, a life coach will help you redefine your whole life. The point where you are right now, the point B where you want to go, and the distance you need to go from where you are right now and where you want to go in the future. And the life coach will help you accelerate the growth, number 1. Number 2, be really clear about the journey you have to travel to reach where you want to reach. Here are 5 benefits my clients get when they work with me. Number 1, clear career and personal goals instead of feeling lost in life. Number 2, more patience instead of being impulsive and impatient. Number 3, improved productivity instead of feeling lazy and procrastinate. Number 4, better relationships instead of messy and insecure ones. Number 5, more deep thinking instead of overthinking. If you want these results, let's connect. I have mentioned my Instagram and LinkedIn profile link in the description. Drop me a message. Let's have a conversation. And if you have any questions that you would want me to answer, drop it in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.